Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, what up, Dell? Getting my money back, brother. Getting my money back. One scalp at a time. Oh, you blew the 25K you got? Yo, what up, Sean? Dude, that lunch was just chop. Although I made it out, I reduced my loss. Yo, Goober. I know. I'm probably gonna have to handle it, Sean. You know, I knew who that was as soon as he came in. By the way, I knew who it was instantly. So I'm already I'm on it. I know from my boy told me about him. Yeah. So we'll see what happens. But I'm on it. I felt the Lord in my heart. Yeah. I just don't think he knows what type of group this is. That's all. You know, this is just an eval. I am. Damn, I was just up too. Obviously, Sean, you know, because you would have seen him on the leaderboard. He said he made $20,000. So if I go to Top Step yesterday and see the leaderboard, everybody is not over $20,000, which means he would have been on the leaderboard and he's not. So it kind of is a lie. And we've determined that that is a lie. You know, some people are just looking for attention. I just, I see if they calm down before you really intervene. As long as it holds above this purple line, I think you're good. My only issue is I don't really know if we're going one way or the other, Chad. I mean, we haven't done anything in the last hour or even 2 hours. I'm short in an eval, but that doesn't mean that's not a high quality conviction trade. What I don't like for the long is we're kind of oversold on the minute and we're starting to get up there. I don't think there's a conviction really either way where I'm like, yo, this is going to go. What's up, Double O? Marie, how's the payout? Did you get it yet? Looking fitter and trimmer these days? I feel fat. I feel. What's up, bum? What up, Pascal? I gotta cut like 8 pounds before summer. Nice, you're approved. You got it. Oh my god, they actually stopped me out at the top. Feeling like a fat lard. Yeah, I got some winter pounds to shed. I was playing basketball with my kids yesterday and the day before, so that was good. But I need to shed a couple lbs. It's easy though. Once now that it warms up, I get outside a lot. So I'm typically moving around, playing sports and whatnot. It's just like this April, the end of March. Also, it was my birthday, so we went out all weekend. I drank a lot this weekend. I just kind of woke up today and I was like, oh, geez. What's up, Joyce? But yeah, going out this weekend and eating out was just a lot. Lot. What up, Hacks? How long did it take me to make my 50K buffer on Take Profit Trader? I think like 4 days. Dude, I ate way more than an extra taco. No, I didn't. Feeling like a fat lard? What movie was that? I can't even think of the movie. That's what I was missing. I had this set on day. I was flipping through my things and I was like, I'm missing a chart. And I didn't know what it was. It was actually the hourly sweeps. No, it's not even this chart. Did that one get deleted? Oh no. Here was the previous hour. Yeah, you had the sweep revert. I mean, it swept and reverted again. Swept and reverted again. Yeah, you did it. You actually did it 3 hours in a row. 1, 2. Actually, you even got it to the downside, which is crazy. You actually even did it here. Yo, what was the news? I wasn't even looking at it. Napoleon Dynamite? Dude, I never really saw that whole movie. Like I was Oh, it was tariff news? I knew they were going to do something with tariffs today. I'm shocked this is still up here. Napoleon Homeite? Dude, I thought tariffs was going to crush it. Well, we're right in the middle now. This is like a chop fest. Dude, I mean, what you're looking for is a massive breakout. Some girl does the 15-minute sweeps I see on Twitter. I don't know her name, but she does the 15-minute sweeps. her win rate is low. It's only like 58%, but she holds for bigger gains with it. Oh, dude, I see where this is going. I see where this is going. The sweeps are action reaction trades. Yeah, I think they're great to put on the chart. The hourly to me is where it's at because that's where he back tested for 10 years worth of data. You know, to me, that's where it was at. I mean, this thing's got room to the downside. If they really let this go, what about VWAP? Hacks, what's VWAP? The VWAP? What up, Emil? I ended up working this back. This was down 500 and something dollars. ES is dumping. ES is dumping, and NQ looks like it's going to start ripping. Yep, here goes NQ, and it's just crazy. I mean, honestly, it's just one big thing of chop. Dell's ready to go wild also. I have to start timing people out. I don't think I've ever timed anybody out, but dude, my eyes. Yo, what up, Lord? Somebody in the Discord is just, you know, people being people. No, just like I make money every day. Like, look at me. Look at me. I made 60 grand yesterday, but I'm not on the Top Step leaderboard. You know. Maybe he's on LSD and thinks he really was trading. But he's not. He's really just like fucking just clicking a button. The 350? It's not you, it's us. Yeah, Mara, he's not even a hater. He's just a look at me guy. He's not a hater. He's a look at me. I'm the best. It's like, just provide value. Just provide value. Bro, oh, his picture? I had to take a picture like that with the eggs in my hand. What up, What up, Walter? Jeez, Dell. Dude, this is some serious chop today. You're long, Lenny? That's not terrible. I might join you on that. I'm thinking about it. It has crossed my mind, Lenny. Oh, jeez. Oh, baby. I'm just seeing if this thing recalculates. What's up, Marco? We just chopping around. I don't remember a day like this. This is like push. Is everybody long here? Are you guys all long? Dude, I feel like a bunch of you guys are long. I feel like I'm the only one that's looking for the short. I feel like I'm not in the cool kid club. Yeah, Marie, at least you know enough. You know what I'm saying? That's good to know. What up, Jay Styles? Marie is up. I feel like she's up $270. I got stopped out at the fucking top. Oof. Come on. Yo! How did I know? Yes, I'm up about that. How did it felt like a $270 day, Marie. Just felt like that. Why is my VWAP messed up on this chart? So weird. Uh-oh, Sean, you got short at the bottom here. Enchanted got stopped. I realized I'm not even in my right account. I'm meant to be in here. Yo, that's like on Reddit. The today I fucked up. What was it? TIFU, and you read them, and they're all like, "Today I fucked up," and they get into their story about what they did for the day. Yo, it's hysterical. Today I fucked up. You're short. You can't watch. I don't think the market knows which way it wants to go. I mean, we were at the same place 2 hours ago. If you zoom out and look, it looks very bearish. This looks like we're going to come back down. Yeah, Nasdaq. I agree. I agree with you. I think it looks better to the downside, but I also feel like just let it go. I'm gonna leave my stop right there, I guess. Is that where I'm leaving it? I think if we get cooking, we're gonna really cook. I did some back. Oh, BKR. It's legit. Yo, you guys got premature codulation. That's what that's called. Premature codulation. Oh man. I think it's weird to set it up sometimes. Come on. I'm just going off the higher time frames. Off the higher time frames, it does not look good. We shall see. Over 344 though, I would say it's then bullish. That's probably like my line is like 344. I don't remember the last day it was this tight. This tightly traded. Oh. Holy fuck. Did that just happen to me? Yo, what's going on? Bro, what just happened? What happened? Is there big news out? What's the news? Is there actual news or that was a 40-point flash, but there's got to be a Honda's coming to LA. Let's see. Are they going to full send it? Trump going soft for now? Oh, he's breaking the tariffs. Oh, baby. I guess he's walking back some of the tariffs. Just jaboniing? What? Yeah, chill. I guess he's walking back. What? Just anything. Make this market move. Fuck. Push it. Yo, completely killed my trade. Completely killed my trade. That's the biggest issue with Trump in office is you never really know at any given point one tweet, and you always need a stop loss in. Because if you don't have a stop loss in, you can get trumped. Dude, it's nuts. I'm going to go look up the I'm going to see if it's on, what is it? Financial juice. The juice is loosed. Oh, yeah, Trump. I may give a lot of countries breaks on tariffs. Wow. That's huge news. That's massive news. Yo, Poker, you're trapped. I mean, you're never trapped. You could always just hit the sell button. I move my stop up, boys. I move my stop up. I'm actually this is a free long. This is what we call a free long in the chat. All right, I'm out. I needed that. That was like $385. Nah, Trump just said it at 240. I may give a lot of countries breaks on tariffs. Wow. Any country that buys oil or gas from Venezuela will pay 25% tariff to the U.S. Wow. Dude, things getting wild. What up, F1? Dude, I mean, I got roasted in this short for 455 and then made back 385. So it is what it is. You just got to play what the market gives you, you know? Who knew that he was going to fucking say something that was going to pop the market, you know? This looked so bearish on the it looked so bearish on the higher time frames, like it was just going to break down, and then he just comes out and says something. Yeah, he's bringing manufacturing back, but it's going to cost these companies a lot of money. So what's going to happen is when they report every quarter, you're going to see issues with what do they call it? Earnings reporting is going to be lower, or guidance is going to be lower due to tariffs. You know? Holy shit. Yo, if you had a long, they just stopped you out. Dude, they just dropped it. What is that? 35 points? No, it's even more. 35 points. Dude, I got out at the top. Look at that shit. I got out right at the top. Your best bet is not to touch this right now. Just give it a couple minutes. Give it like 4 more minutes. Let it just. Oh man, tariffs for doing business with Venezuela will be on the top of existing tariffs. That's what just came through. That's actually what caused this. I'm looking at the news as it's coming in. Trump just said, "I am fucking everyone straight up." Just in. What up, Kitty? Alcie's in the house. Kron's over here. Lord's in here. What up, guys? Alvin's here. If I missed anybody, I'm reading the headlines right now as they come in. So I don't want to. What up, Prelim? I don't want to miss anything. Not all tariffs will be included on April 2nd. Just in. That's actually pretty big. Not all tariffs will be included on April 2nd. Yeah, pretty much. I'm hoping we get one of these pops. This is helping Russia? I have no idea. Gene. What up, Akash? What up, Bears? Luke is in the house. What up? Visible's here. I'm hoping it sounds good. How was my weekend? My weekend was fun. I went out for my birthday all weekend. Saw a bunch of friends and did a bunch of stuff with my kids. Played a lot of basketball with my kids and just kind of chilled out. What's up, Paul? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. I mean, listen, am I going to take like $70? Yeah, I'm getting the fuck out of this thing. I just couldn't close it red. I'm just looking to see if anything new is coming through. Yeah. Wild. Eminem's in the house. Well, here's the candle. Here's starting to pop up here. There you go. I can't believe they dropped it that low and just brought it right back. There you go. I'm just waiting to see. There's no more headlines coming through. It kind of seems like he stopped because there was a headline coming through. Now that was 6 minutes apart. Then it was 1 minute apart. Yo, Dell, I think that's in the wrong chat, brother. In the 70s? Oh, right here, right? You draw it out, Hacks, or did you on the 4 hour? Is that what yours looks like, or did you draw it, or using a different script? Yeah. I don't really play them, to be honest with you. I have the script up, but I'm not like, it's not a thing for me, but I look at the oh geez. Yo, I can't play that. I want to play it, but I can't play it. I know what's gonna happen, dude. I know exactly what's gonna happen. Who's riding this? What up, Ivan? John's in the house. Oh, you like the last counter swing before the breakdown? There's no audio? Oh, jeez, dude. Oh, my. Sean. Yeah. I see what you're talking about. Sooner or later, I'm going to have to toss them, just so you are aware, Sean. Some point, the tossing is going to come in. I mean, everything that Trump's talking about is super positive. Let me do some light bullying first. Yeah, I'm looking at it, Hacks. I'm keeping a real tight stop. I want to see this break out of this little flag, get over like 70 and then up, or I'm out. Because I think if they don't break this to the upside, they're going to drop it all the way back down to 50. What's up, Milton? Come on. Come on. Pump it. Pump it up. Yeah. I'm out. Dude, it's just some random dude. I just let everybody. I pay no mind to it. I pay no mind. I just let it be. He's been kicked out of other discords that I know. So I just kind of let it be. Soon I'm going to have to time him out. Kind of sucks because I was definitely short bias, and now Trump's backing off on the tariffs. Do we just keep going? What up, Robert? Yeah, Garen. Yeah, it is. What up, Truth? Does my funded MFT have is that 10,000 MES? I'm not sure what you mean, Robert. If you're looking at my funded futures, they have 50K is their small account. But yeah, it's him. Yeah, this market's choppy as shit. Do I think long or short? I would probably, after Trump said that, I mean, I would think to the upside. I kind of want to get in on the upside and see if I can just ride it. Yeah, I mean, I've talked to him on the, obviously I talk to him almost every day on the phone, but I'm gonna give it one more shot. One more shot, one opportunity. Yo, what up, Cards fan? I mean, it could definitely go down. I thought it would go down, but news trumps all. So if Trump's coming out and walking back on tariffs, it's real interesting. I would not let it move around though. Like I would have a short leash on any trades because it could definitely pull all the way back. Come on. Come on. Let it fly, baby. Are we going to chop even more now? Like that the 3 p.m. rip? Hopefully. Ugh, jeez. Looks so good to continue. I don't see Venezuela Interior Minister will adapt to any U.S. decision on Chevron license. Nothing else really coming out. I got the news up on my other monitor. All the headlines. Wow. Trump will be announcing on autos, aluminum, and pharmaceuticals in the very near future for tariffs. Am I getting paid out today? The day is not over, Tyler. The day is not over. I have 2 opportunities that I can get paid out today. I can tell you right now, if things go well for the next on my next decent sized trade, I'm getting paid out today. I'm just not playing this chop currently, but I am going to take a shot at some point to make $300 to try to pull out a Apex. It's going to be this account right here. I need $290 to get a payout. So I am going to dude, this looks good. Yeah, man. I'm just waiting for the right setup. The right opportunity. And we'll see what happens. But I have an idea what I want, I have an idea when I see it to take full advantage, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, getting a payout is high on my list for today. Come on. Push this to 80. I like Take Profit Trader better because I know that when I request a payout, I'm getting the payout. I could trade however I want. I don't have some watchdog software looking over me. Overall, I like Take Profit Trader better. It's just I bought a bunch of these accounts at 90% off on Apex, and I use them as such. When you get an account for $15, you get more than when you got to pay, $119 for them. So that's why I have more Apex accounts, but that doesn't mean I like Apex better. All right. I'm going to break even on this, boys and girls. I sold one. I went to break even. Actually, I'm slightly above break even. The idea is we broke out of this line, the high, and then we broke over it. I don't want to go back under these highs. So that's why I moved to where I moved. I want this candle. It's kind of relaxing. I need it to go back up. I don't want to come back down. Ideally, this next candle it's green, and then it goes over 376, and we push up. This candle goes over 376, and we get a green candle to maybe 380, and then I move my stop to 374. See? Yep. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, boys and girls. If you're following this trade, we're starting to really get momentum, and I'm moving my stop up because I'm up a bunch. I could see this just coming back down as an algo candle up and it algos down. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Okay. Hey, listen. I'm perfectly fine fucking getting out up there. At 380 bucks. What up, Fred? That was very nice. Very nice. Let me see if I can join in. Yeah, Hacks. My big thing is once we start getting too far away from the 9, I know at some point we're going to come back to it. So I don't want to give up my gains. I know everyone trades differently, but that's what I'm looking for. Is I'm not looking to come back. Oh, geez. You have my blessing, Sean. Dude, that was freaking awesome. Yo, Sean, were you still in long that you said you couldn't watch and now you're up? You're up 60 points? The 9 on the 1,000 tick is 75s. All right, it's not that far, I guess. The 9 is 380 now. Oh, you were short? Oh, I thought you were long. I thought you were long. Dude, this was a choppy ass day. If Trump doesn't come on and walk back tariffs, I think we sell off. But this is a prime example of when news comes out, you got to set your bias to the side and just say, hey, like, I just got to play what's given to me. Damn. I'm just looking. I made a rookie mistake not looking at the higher time frame when I was short. It's all good, man. You'll make it right back. Dude, we're all going to make it back. I feel like I should smash or pass one of these accounts on this walk up, but I feel like we're just getting too high. I should have done it right here, actually, when we consolidated and just said I'm all in. Getting a lot of indecision. Look, people are starting to sell their longs and just kind of stay neutral. I'm out for the day. I'm about to go hit the gym. But first, food. Yo, what are you getting for food? Anything good? See, I don't like that it broke the 9 to the down. To the downside? You know, not a huge fan of that. Yo, eat some Sour Patch Kids, some ground beef and eggs on the way to the gym. Bro, Prelims got some free longs. Where's the weekly gap at, Messi? Yo, GTR, what up? Deep fried shark nuggets? Wasn't that the big thing that McDonald's was giving you shark meat? Wasn't that a big thing at one point? What up, body bag? I don't know. Sean's like a bodybuilder, I think. Bird food. Dude, what's with those hen eggs? The blue hen eggs? I saw them. I have no idea what the deal is, though.
Order filled.
Dude, I'm super tight here. Super fucking tight. Like, I want to see a pop. Yeah, Sean was or is. Like his name on YouTube is like fit trader or something like that. I'm pretty sure he works out. Like, pump it. Come on. Just looking for a little bit.
Order filled.
Done. Why am I so tight? Because of this. Watch, it's going to come all the way down 10 points, and I don't want to. That's why I was so tight. Got to keep it tight, man. Free longs? I wouldn't go free longs. They were either going to pump it back up to like the high for like a nice scalp, maybe touch 400, or this is happening. Under 374, you could target 366, which is the hourly sweep back in. It's not a lot of points. What up, Vicious? Your trades don't usually last long when it's tight. Fucking love this chat. Nothing reduced. Yeah, I don't really know body bag, honestly. I used to take C4 ripped before the gym at like 6 in the morning just to get me up. But I even stopped doing that. Yo, flip, it was perfect. Yeah, I think if we hit the 34 at like 69, we'll probably bounce. That's what I have on mine. This is the hourly high right here at 373. I'm just looking. Just looking. Oh, ATR's at 66. Well, I don't think we're going to get down there. Question is, do you take it here? Who's Steve Kucklow? Who's Steve Kucklow? I gotta look who Steve Kucklow is. Dude, I wonder what it feels like to be like that. Like, can you move around? You got to put the code in, but you also have to be on the stream longer than 5 minutes. If you're just joining today, you might not be able to join. You might not be able to join the giveaway till tomorrow. That stops people from coming in with, like 30 accounts and just signing up. So there's a time thing that Streamlabs has that you got to be on the stream for a little bit before it allows you in. So if you're just coming in to put the code in, you have not acquired enough points. So it sees you as a new account, so you cannot enter. But if you want to hang out and make some money and chill out, you could probably enter tomorrow. Just throwing it out there. Dude, hacks, the points are accumulated so easily just by being a real person. Like, look how many points you have. It's like 10 points to get into the duck race. So you literally just have to be a normal person that just hangs out for even a little bit of time. It's all automated. It's not like it's me doing it. A normie? Is that one of those crypto words? J to the J futures trading. What up? Yo, I'm getting 4,400 today. Dude, Jack Boom. How you getting 4,400? How you getting 4,400, Jack? A little consolidation. Pump it to the upside. We're going to pump it. Pump it. Yo, how old are you, hacks? Yo, nice, Jack. That's nice. Very nice. Yeah, I didn't know that. That's crazy. You never know how old somebody is on here, to be honest with you. You never know. I don't know. See, I don't know. All I know is Coleman. Oh, geez. Dude, I just got an alert. Says Trump administration accidentally texts. No, I don't believe that. Nope, false alarm. Do you soak the Sour Patch Kids in vodka first, Sean? I feel like I would soak them in vodka before I to really get it going. Remember that with gummy bears? When you were in college, you throw gummy bears in vodka. You could do the same thing with Sour Patch in the bottle. You know, you dump a box in the bottle. Oh man. Yo, I had my days mixed up. I thought I was going on Top Step TV on the 27th. I'm actually going on the 3rd. So it's not this week. I'll be on Top Step TV on April 3rd. Got my days mixed up. I was originally going on the 27th and they moved me. Yo, Sam, this is super choppy. Super choppy. If anything, kind of just flagging back to 34, just grinding, and then probably end up maybe testing 400. It's going to be interesting to see if it holds at 34. Kind of sold off on the 1. I'm just looking to take this for some quick money. Don't follow. I was just scalping it from some quick. I got a bad fill. If I got the fill at like 74, I probably could have gotten $80 off of it. Instead, I got 35. Yeah, or I copy trade them, Sam. Like I copy traded these 5 accounts are all copy traded. See how it's all up the same amount of money? I copy traded them this morning. I traded these 2 pre-market. Honestly, there hasn't been very great setups that I'm really loving today. Like I'm not sitting here being like, "Yo, this is a great setup." Like the best setup that I probably have seen was right here to the upside maybe. If Trump didn't come on, we probably would have dumped. You're just making lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and then you'd probably dump down. And then Trump came on and kind of helped out, keep the market up. Bottom of the hourly coming up. See if they juice them. Is that like when Vin Diesel is like, smoke them? Looks like it's going to pump. I can't buy up here because you can easily come back down to 75, but I'm watching. I'm breathing and relaxing. Bro, Garen with the freaking, that's hysterical. See, that's why I didn't chase it. Yo, yeah, my man. My man. Oh, am I going to take a shot to the downside here? I want to. I just feel weird because Trump just came on and said all that stuff, which is obviously positive. So it's weird to go against news. But what up, Billy? Yeah, down here, back at 47. I want to see a little green candle here. Give me a couple points to the green, and then we'll dump it. If you think about it, though, like these candles are very small. Like it's not, you're not really going a large distance. I'm debating on whether to go short right here. I'm debating. Yo, what up, Corey? What up? What up? If they can get this out, this little flag would be nice. Probably touch 400. Put my stop right here. Let's see if I can get a pop. Yeah, there is no news, but Trump talking really spiced it up a little bit. Trump backpedaling on tariffs today, which is interesting. I don't think there's much news, Billy. I don't think there's much news all week. I'm going to pull it up right now. Tuesday, consumer confidence at 10 a.m. and new home sales. Durable goods on Wednesday. Thursday's the biggest one. You have GDP, initial jobless claims, and then Friday you got PCE. Yo, Dell. I don't see any more. I'm looking at the news. All the news headlines have stopped about Trump. Nothing like Nasdaq, what's the news at is it a gold? What's 730? Queen Gong. Oh, jeez. I see Jesse. Yeah, I could see that. Oh, Japan. I do not have that out. Just just dump it to 60. I mean, these candles are literally like 4 and 5 points each. Why normally they were like, like a week ago, these candles are like 20 points each. They went from 20 points each to like 4 now. This candle that looks big is like 11-point candle. Small pumps, yeah. It's kind of what it feels like. Do I ever check the email? Yeah, I have it up, Dell. I have it up on one of my. I had it up. I think I did it. Let me see. Hold on one second. Oh, jeez. There's just nothing. There's no momentum either way. What's my bias? I like the Trump news. But ever since up here, you've had lower highs every single time. So until we make a higher high, I would say we're going to keep trending down until we make a higher high and break the trend. But the trend currently is this. It's pretty much, you know, something like that. So until we do something, and it's not even a big zone. It's just, I assume we'd come down and touch either this red line, which is the 21 on the 5, or we're going to touch the top of the initial imbalance, which is right where the 200's at. I mean, this would be a great bounce point, 347, and then go up. Oh, I got to use it on the 5, Dell? Yeah. I mean, if we dip a little bit more and we get some acceleration, I might just take this trade off for a couple bucks. I just don't see like, dude, this is just like, if we get a push down here, I'm probably just taking this off here. Here, like something like this. $60. We're just not doing anything. My target initially, my target's right here. I would say this was looking more like a bull flag when we were right here. Once we go under the 34, to me, it's no longer a bull flag. Now you're just channeling down. Yes, you could break the channel to the upside, but it's not really a bull flag. You know, if you were bull flagging, it would look something like this. You know, we bounced here twice. That would have been the bull flag. You know, and then break out. You're under the flag at this point. Look, yeah, see, it came right here and bounced. Yo, Smokey, if you're not going to put, I want to see screenshots in the Discord. Let's see screenshots in the Discord. Throw it in the Discord, screenshots. You know, I'm just being honest with you. You can't just come on and make up numbers and provide no value to a community, because that's just not how it works. You know, people are here to learn. This isn't like the guys that come on and say they made money are people that have been working for a while and now they're finally taking payouts. Like, that's what this is about. Nobody cares if you make a ton of money. That's not what this is about. It's about learning. It's about helping each other out. It's that style. It's not, you know, I'm just being honest with you. That's, you know, just following this channel. Look, we just popped back up, hit, coming back down. I mean, this is just, yo, what up, Ray? I'm just watching it channel. Yeah, Carl. It is frustrating. I mean, especially if you're new to prop firms, you know, it's frustrating not making money. And, you know, so I want to provide as much value as I can to everybody that's in here. This chop is ungodly right now. You've been working on other things? Yo, CT, you working on anything good over there? As long as we stay in this channel, this is where we're going. Eventually, we're probably going to break to the upside at some point. Dude, I didn't know that was you, Ray. Yeah, but you got some P&L in there. Dude, you're only down 12 grand all year. No, but you made 80,000. That's losing you. Gross P&L is 12,000. With fees and commissions, you're down 30. Let's see if we break out right here. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, body bag. When you got an inside 15, you kind of just chill out. Yeah, Joshua. I mean, I think we're going to break out. We'll probably break out and go one way or the other. But as long as we're in this channel, I don't want to trade this at all. I take hands-off approach. You got MOC in 8 minutes, by the way. I got to get a water. I'll be right back. Yo, I said it broke the channel and you got the pop that, we wanted. I'm going to see if it holds right here. If we hold the 9 and we come back up. If not, I'm stopped out early. Dude, these candles are not big. These are not large candles by any means. Like, it looks like I'm so high up. Usually that's like 15 points and it's only 5. Look at that. It's only 5 points. I took a quick $40. You got MOC in a little bit. You got MOC. Yeah, J to J. By the way, welcome to the stream, J to J. I saw you earlier, but I'm pretty sure today's your first day. So welcome. That was the fake out. It might be. Yo, Karen Bear. I haven't seen Karen Bear in ages. How you been? Yeah, hey man. It's just a chill out environment. You know? It's just a chill out environment. I am just trying something real quick. Luna, what up? Market on close. Shit. Rule number 1. Yo, we got 3 minutes. Yo, Cody, I haven't been on here since Amazon guy walked in. Yo, the Amazon guy walking in while I was on the stream, walking into my house was pretty crazy. I've been better. My grandmother and dad have been in the hospital and they came home. My grandma, oh, that sucks. That sucks. Dude, the Amazon guy walking into my house while I was on the stream was definitely interesting. Dude, they just pumped it. Dude, Amazon guy is still tied up in my basement. Bro, I was on the stream, J to J. I was literally on the stream, and some Amazon guy opened up my front door and came into my house. I had to I had to get up and out. Had to get up and handle some business. There's like an entryway and where my office is. I had to meet him right at the corner. He didn't even know I was coming, and I met him right at the corner. Yeah. Believe me, he didn't come back, Luke. What the fuck? Bro, the thing fucked up. Bro, this thing completely fucked up. I should have been out. I don't even know what am I in? I'm in long. All right, I just took a $75 loss. Hold on one second. Dude, we missed it by 1 point to the upside. And I would have got the downside, except my order wasn't fucking in. Actually, if my order was in, yo, that was weird. Something happened. It didn't even catch. Yo, it didn't even put my stop in. Because look, if I put an order in right here, oh shit, look. You could see the dotted line at the bottom. It missed my stop. So if I actually put my other order in here, I would have got stopped out for 7 points. I would have gotten 4 to the downside. What was weird today was I didn't get it in on time. I was nervous. I didn't get the orders in on time, and it kind of fucked it up. I mean, listen, I lost $84. When we hit it, it's for $300. So being that that's a bad day, I can't complain about it, like that. I'm not worried about that at all. I'm just trying to figure out what happened. I don't exactly know what happened. How's that sound? I'm not exactly sure what happened, Waldo. Naj, you blew 2 accounts? What happened? Yeah, I'm gonna go back and look at the orders and see what happened. I'm not gonna trade this account because it'll copy all the accounts at once. But wow. Dude, this is the my order for no, I was long at the end of the day. BKR, I was long. I never got short. Is the thing. Like I never got short, even though my other order didn't go in. I guess that order didn't go in. It got rejected. I never got short. Which is interesting. Yeah, because I was kind of late. I hit the button here, and then when I went to here, I didn't realize I was kind of late. Otherwise, hey, if you got filled, that's good. I mean, like I said, I got out with $100 loss. I mean, whatever. I mean, I've been making $300 a day in there over how many days? So I can't complain. You know, I could do that 3 days in a row. If you never got short, you had the opportunity to get out with like $100 loss. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I know what you're saying, body bag. I don't actually know. I mean, listen, am I going to play it tomorrow? 1,000%. I might play it in more accounts tomorrow, knowing that today didn't work out and I still got out of it okay. Because to me, that means the odds of it working tomorrow are even higher. You know what I'm saying? Like the odds of it working tomorrow are better than any other day. So that to me is even more of a thing to be like, hey, tomorrow I should do it. Yeah. No. Oh, welcome, man. Yeah, I go on in the morning at like 10:30. I like to trade by myself for an hour in the morning and I manage my stock accounts, my options account. So I do a lot of things at open for the first hour, and then I do this the rest of the day. Yeah, CT. I didn't like it today because we chopped all day. So I felt like there was going to be less volume compared to like some of the other days we've had in the past where there's a lot of volume and you get the bigger moves. It felt like today, if it was going to be any day where it didn't work, today was going to be the day it didn't work. Today was definitely a day I was not loving it, but are they going to turn this around or they flipped MOC to the buy? I thought we'd maybe run into close. No. Tomorrow will be tough for you. What are you doing, Ray? Tough. I just got bottom ticked. So that's how my days have been. Yeah, hacks. I agree. I think we got like another 200 points to the upside, and then we're going to start rolling. Well, we actually started trading into it already. I thought we would trade into this gap to like 615 and then roll. The fact that we held all day up here is pretty interesting, but I think if we gap tomorrow, I would be looking to probably exit the majority of my positions. Like if we gap to 500 tomorrow or above, I'm probably looking to exit out. 761. Yeah. I was targeting 620, right here in the middle was originally what I was looking at. What up, Alyssa? That's what I was looking at. Oh, market closed. Yeah, I think we have, you know, I was looking right here and just start exiting. Oh, my back. My back. Today was not a good price action day, to be honest with you. Today was not a good price action day. I mean, we didn't really go anywhere after the run up. First, we gapped up. We kind of ran up in the morning, and then we just chopped all day. This was an all-day chop fest from about 11 o'clock on. Just kind of chopped. Prayer Kid, what's going on? Oh, I'm guessing you took that in the in your personal. Chill. 10 points. I'm looking for I'm looking to make 5 points. My stop is 10. What up, Dr. T Trades? Yeah. I like trading in my personal account. You could do trade a little bit differently. Dude, I can't believe MOC didn't hit today. I can't believe MOC got wait. Dude, I don't know if I even set the settings up correctly. How's that sound? I don't know if I set the settings up. Dude, I think I fucked this up, to be honest with you. Oh, no. Yeah, I fucked this up. Yo, I accidentally made money. How's that sound? Well, not act. All right, look, see, so this is the candle, right? If I set it up correctly, I would have got filled. And then when it came down, I should have got stopped out at 75, right? I should have got stopped out at 75. But I never adjusted this shit. So I was still sitting at my other settings. So when I got in, look, I missed getting taken out at the bottom by like literally like one tick. And that's why I was able to only lose $100 instead of losing 300. Wow. That's what happened. I forgot to set this up. That was a mistake that actually saved me $200. Holy shit. That's what happened, Emil. I never set the ATM order. I never set the ATM order. Wow. That's crazy. That only leads me to believe tomorrow, even though I got lucky today, tomorrow will hit again. So it is what it is. Yeah, chill. I have. What up, Mohammed? No, I was on the stream and looked back at a bunch of days while we were on the stream. Chill. Listen, you should do your own research on it. But I played it enough times live that it worked. Yeah, I've done it enough times that it's worked. And now the one time it doesn't work, I only lost $100 instead of technically when it doesn't work, you should lose $600. So the fact that it didn't work, I didn't lose 600, I only lost 100 is amazing. What do I use as my family vehicle? I have a BMW X7. I'm not a BMW fan, to be honest with you. It wasn't my choice of vehicles. My boy Cove in the big body, I like it. Yeah, I'm not. I'll be honest with you. I'm not like a car guy. Like I'm not like I'll be. I drove. I still have it. I have a 2009 Tahoe LTZ that I had when I was single. Um, I love the truck. I don't really care about a lot of cars and stuff like that. My truck has 170 something thousand miles on it, so I'm going to need something else for myself. Um, I'm probably going to get myself a Jeep over the next month or so. Something fun for the summertime with the kids and whatnot. That's what I'm probably going to do. But I'm not into like, oh, I don't need expensive cars. Like, I'm not that guy. Tahoe boys. Yeah, I bought it originally to tow my jet ski when I was single. I no longer have jet skis. Rattle trap. I'm using it to go to the beach. CT for the most part. Like doors off, top off, beach. Yeah, I mean the Suburbans are amazing. Jeeps are cheaps. Yeah, I'm not listen, I'm not buying an expensive one hacks. I'll probably get like whatever the lower model is. Like you know, it's not the family vehicle. It's like throw the stuff in the Jeep, we head to the beach, top off, doors off, and just chill. That's what I'm looking for is like just a fun thing.
The market is closed.
They also have what do you call it? Dude, I'll be honest with you, I dump my money into the stock market and I like watching my money make money. Obviously, I live a life, I have kids and stuff, but like I like putting my money to work and that's what I like doing with it. Yeah, I have no like. I'll go to the dealership and see what they got. Like they might have a year old like demo unit. I would gladly get one if they're going to give me like 10 grand off all day. All day, like a demo unit with like 1,000 miles on it or something like that. My family developed a death wobble. Get a tune buggy. My dad's got one that he lives in Mexico and he's got like I think they call it a Razor. It's like a 4 or 6 person like roll barred car that he drives around. Prospector LX Mega Cab. I don't even know what that is. I'm looking at what this Prospector looks like. Oh, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'm getting it. I'm getting it more for the doors off, the top off vibe. Razor to cut out, outrun the cartels and federales. Yeah, dude, there's a lot of dirt roads where he is. A lot of dirt roads by me. He sold cars for 20 years. Hey man, just stick to it. You'll make money. You'll earn. Just got to stick to your rules. Man, today's action was awful though. Oh man. I can't believe that didn't hit today. I can't believe I messed it up and it worked in my favor, but I can't believe it didn't hit today. It actually looked really good to the upside. I figured we'd do something like this. I am a woman, by the way, not a man. Oh, I'm sorry, Nasdaq. My apologies. I never know what the screen names, to be honest with you. Also, you're the only Nasdaq I know. If that's your first name, you're the only Nasdaq I know. Oh, man. This is a long, long day. Cove can't see you in her picture. Oh, it's a Turkish name. Are you right now in Turkey trading or are you in the US? Sean, I thought you went to the gym, dude. Or you just Oh, that's a cool car. Yeah, Dell, that's what I saw on I saw that color on Google. Yeah. Yeah, they stopped that, right? The short selling in the Turkey markets, right? Yeah. That's crazy, Luke, how they can just come out and do that and be like, "Hey, no one's shorting anymore." Oh, you're in Florida? Yeah. Yo, they do. They outlaw shorting of stocks. Dude, that's crazy though how they do that. Exploit the vibe. I don't have the balls. Whoa. Oh, Dell. Dell's watching it. Bro. Yo, Dell, that's so funny, man. It's how they suck up all the liquidity from the, I guess. Who's making money? Today was a rough day. Bro, this guy's getting roasted, Sean. Straight roasted. Oh, Hacks is now joining. Dude. Bro, that's why when people start taking photos and posting them, and then you start looking in the background, it's like, bro. Some light bullying is good for him. Dude, that might be a classic, but that shit's busted down. I zoomed in. It doesn't look great. It's even got a tarp behind it, Hacks. There's a tarp on this guy's front lawn. That's behind the car. The market just went up. I mean, I finished 5,100. What the fuck? Let's see what I did in Robinhood. Robinhood finished up 2,370. Holy shit. That was a $7,400 day. Yeah, Chad. Chad. Barely made 250 today. I'll be honest with you. If you traded just prop firms today and you're up, you did good today. I mean, we just straight up. Dude, I'm telling you, I'd rather put my money in the market than buy cars. I am going to take my money out of the market if we get another up day. I am out of the market around here probably. I already took a couple things off. You got to remember, I was buying Dude, I was buying on these days. I was adding, I think one day we got under 19,000. That's right. These contracts we flipped contracts. The old contract, we were under 19,000. Let's see if I can see it, actually. No. So the old contracts, we were under 19,000, and I bought a bunch of stocks and whatnot under 19,000. And then I'm kind of unloading up here, you know. But don't get me wrong, I freaking sweat because I think this was the day that I bought, and then we went up, and I was like, yes. And then we came all the way back down, and I was sweating it. I was like, did I buy too much too soon? But we're up about 1,000 points from the bottom, 1,100 points. Yo, Dell gets all like religious and stuff. But you know, you got to remember, if you load the boat down low, when you bounce, you have to unload the boat. Otherwise, you don't have the dry powder if you dip. Like if we dip tomorrow, I at least unloaded some of the stuff today where I could buy low. I'm not if we're red, I'm not looking to add, but I'm just saying, like, if we came down, I don't want to still be stuck in the same stuff that I was in here when we're back down low. I want to sit the way up and then give me the ability that, hey, if we go back down to 19,500, you know, maybe I add a couple things and then I look to go, you know, add lower. Does JPM still have that collar on? I remember that was a big deal when they threw that trade on. All right, let me set this thing up right now, by the way. I got to add a couple of these guys to this. Here we go. Let me set this up. By the way, if you're new here, we stream every day, 10:30 to noon. We stream again 2 p.m. to about 4:30. We do account giveaways all the time. And if you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. It works at all the prop firms. The best deals that are out there are really just Apex right now at 80% off. Take Profit Trader at 30% off, no activation fee. And I think Tradeify is 30 off. I'm looking to set this up is what I'm doing. All right, we're going to have to run 2 races because there's so many people. So we're going to have to run 2. So here's the first one. I am here. Quack, quack, baby. Josh. Quack, quack. Come on, baby. Who do we got? Who's the first? Oh, Hacks out front. Showing nice little B outfit you got there, bud. See what we got. Yo, Kaba. It's 4:26. You got 2 minutes. 4:26. You got 2 minutes, or we're going to run it again. Oh, he's here. All right, I got to run another one. Hold on. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, we need a better price action day tomorrow. All right, here we go. Nasdaq, that was everybody from the morning stream. So if you weren't on the morning, that is not for you. You got to be in the morning for the first race. Yeah, that's how I break it up. Is there's the morning stream, the afternoon stream, and then the winners play. So if you want an extra shot, be here between 10:30 and noon. Flip. The final two always do the ball race now. It has to be somebody else, though, Kaba. It can't be you again. It's got to be two different people. Yo, Lenny. Ooh, Lenny was moving up. Marie White is moving up at the bottom. Oh. Yo, it's 4:28. You got 2 minutes. Are you here? You did not win yet. You're right there to win, but you didn't win yet. I'm just looking to see all the different. I'm just looking to see which ones there are. Dude, there's so many of them. There's so many of them. All right. Yeah, whoever wins this one. So here you go. It's going to be a short one. We're just going to do 45 seconds. And we're going to see who's going to take it home. Yo, if you have questions about prop firms, trading, anything, now is the time to put it in the chat. Oh, freaking, oh, geez. I can't have the noise. I got a, what do you call it? I got a complaint. I got a copyright infringement complaint one time by playing the noise. So I got to do, yo, this is the race to see who wins. It's Caba versus Miguel. It's the ball race. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dude. Caba, you got it. You got it, Caba. Send me an email. Yo. Got to have some fun with it. Got to have some fun with it. Dude, I just can't get over that we didn't hit today at the end. That was rough. Yo, the 355 candle, you would have gotten smoked on also. Yo. Hey, man. You won. Dude, today was such a chop fest. It's so crazy. Such a chop fest. Yeah, I think, tomorrow will hopefully it doesn't chop like this. We get some movement. The reset should be $50. I wish. I wish, Dell. They used to do half off resets that was one of the deals they ran was half off resets. So you could actually reset a funded account for like 300 and something bucks, which was awesome. So you can just go straight to a funded account. If you have a funded account already and blow it, you can reset it for like I think it was like 320 something. I don't trade Asia anymore. I don't trade after hours anymore. It's definitely cool. The opening trade hit today. Tomorrow I'll be back and we're gonna I'm looking to hit MOC again. Without a doubt, looking to hit an MOC. I mean, it hits every day. Today it didn't hit, so the odds are higher that it will hit tomorrow. Oh, just looking. Yeah, if they gave you half off, I would reset it. You know. Dude, if they gave half off resets, I would reset all my pro accounts at $300 with Take Profit Trader. Because then you can just go all in. Not all in, but like you could definitely, I would say you could definitely make your money back. You know, those accounts are worth are worth $300 because there's no consistency rule. You could trade however you want. Like I would be all in on I'd probably be all in on that. Yeah. Not at six. I think if you do it now, it's like $600. I'm not resetting at 600. So I'm out on that. It's got to be 300, 350. I'm in. Oh man. You blew your Apex PA the other day. Should I reset? I don't think you can reset the PA accounts, Nasdaq. I think Apex only has yeah, Nij. It's not worth $600 to me. But if you did half off and it was 300, I would do it. Not at 600. Yo, Dell, I tell everybody when you get those accounts, you got to trade them, you got to trade them nice and slow. I feel like take profit trader accounts are worth more, not only money, but worth more to when they're funded than any other account. So you definitely want to take it slow, build them up because you can get daily payouts. And it's one of those things that you don't want to blow them. So definitely take your time. Like I didn't really trade mine today with all this chop. I just was like, yeah, I'll just trade the Apex accounts. And I didn't really trade most of my Apex accounts up until MOC. All these accounts didn't really get traded. I took a MOC shot and it didn't work, but I'm not worried. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day. Just take your time, like anywhere. Just take your time, focus, you know. Oh, man. Today was a wild, rough, choppy day. Hey, we come back, Sean, and we just get at it tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? What else could you go? Shaz, what's a good prop for? I'm about to go at Top Step, but I don't like the drawdown rules. I always if you're getting payouts, I would say take profit traders the best. Take profit trader has no activation fee. So with Top Step, you got to pay $150 once you pass your eval to go funded. Take profit trader, if you use the coupon, is no activation fee. So you don't have to pay that $130 like you do on Top Step, the $150. You pay a lot less. And I don't know what your pass rate is. Listen, if you're not getting payouts, just go with Apex. You know, if you're not getting payouts, just go in an Apex account. Work on your strategy. Work on things. You know, use a cheaper account for working to become profitable. Oh. By the way, if you heard us talk about the Discord a bunch today, here's the link if you want to join. It's free. It's free. Feel free to come in, say what's up, hang out, ask questions. It's usually where you find some of us when we're not in here. I haven't heard anybody getting issues with Take Profit Trader, to be honest. If you got questions about prop firms, that'll probably help you out. I haven't heard anybody had problems with payouts. I had one guy say something, but he was trying to reach support. They were trying to push in the Pro Plus. He didn't want to go to Pro Plus. And then I don't know what happened. I haven't heard anything after. Not once you're once you're funded, you're funded. I think it's a one-time activation fee. It's when you're not funded, you pay monthly. Oh. All right. Well, today was not that eventful, to be honest with you. A lot of chop. Kind of stayed out of it for the most part. And it was what it was. You know, we just kind of sat, waited, and didn't really get much movement. But let's see what tomorrow brings. I'm going to jump off. If you want to support the stream, use the code below. If you got questions, comment on one of my videos. I'll get right back to you guys. I always do. Or ask in the Discord. I get right back to you. Other than that, I'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. at 10:30. If you're not around for the morning stream, we'll do it again at 2 p.m. and we'll do an account giveaway tomorrow again. All right? Peace.